We're the world's most powerful Air Force, and it's because of you, our dedicated airmen. In our business, it's our maintenance superheroes that are getting it done every day. With the age of our equipment and the Minuteman weapon system, we have no choice but to be innovative and come up with better ways to accomplish the mission. I need your help. Your help to come up with new ideas, looking at processes, procedures, equipment shortfalls, and policy changes. For our field runners, I'd like to find ways to shorten your duty days and provide you with a more predictable schedule. I've initiated an Innovation Jumpstart to change the culture of innovation within the MXG. This effort is aimed at involving airmen of all ranks in the innovation process. In an effort to generate more ideas, we've designed an MXG Innovation Coin. So if you submit an idea, you'll get a coin. Since the start of the innovation push, we've received 34 ideas and we want more. Please submit your innovation ideas to your Squadron Innovation Rep. Your ideas can make a huge difference, and I've asked your squadron commanders to encourage innovation at every level. The Malmstrom Maintenance Group is a family business, and it's up to each of us to make it better for our family members that follow in our footsteps. This is how we do it. I really need your ideas. I'm proud to serve with each and every one of you, and I appreciate what you do every day. Thank you.